4-seater RTV?
Yeah, like this. Do you have
There's an orange one right up there, just after the small tractor with the backhoe. You're welcome. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Something special for you today. If you like orange as much as I do, stick around. Open house at my Kubota dealership, and we're gonna get a sneak peek. Alright guys, so as I said, I am on site at Stewart's Equipment. This dealership is my dealership. This is the Erin location, but they also have dealerships in Cookstown and Stayner. I will put those addresses in the description. Let's take a look around. I'm telling you, you guys better be careful if you come out here for a visit, because it's pretty easy to end up with a lot of this orange stuff in your garage. Like, I mean, come on. I need that. I need that. I need that, but with a cab. I totally don't need that, but I want it. I want that with a forestry mulcher on the front. This would probably mow my lawn in about 45 seconds flat. And this is neat too, but I'd probably lose it in the bush. That's a camouflage joke. When I lived in a subdivision, I didn't need any of this equipment, but when Julie and I decided to make the switch to living rurally on 50 acres, it became pretty clear that you need certain equipment in order to be successful and to just make your life easier, honestly. Stewart's Equipment has been great with us. Service, answering questions, parts, all that stuff, they're great. Guys, if you're not doing anything on Saturday, or even if you are, just drop it and get out here, Stewart's Equipment. Go find me something nice and orange. So I would love to be able to show you guys what this open house is gonna look like tomorrow, but some things need to remain a surprise. If you're not doing anything this Saturday, head on out to Stewart's Equipment in Erin. Hamburgers, donuts, coffee, all free. Jump on some of this equipment, see how it feels, talk to the guys, get yourself a good deal, and if you can't make it, Stayner's open house is next weekend. Thanks for tuning in, we'll see you in the next one.